Hey everyone, my name's Ashley from n8n, which I'm a co-founder of. So what I'm going to show you today is how I automated out my YouTube shorts after I create them. I started this channel, started posting on August 9th. Funny story, I accidentally deleted my old channel, but that's for another day. And so what I did, because I don't have any time to put into this to really come in and schedule these out, is I drop the files into a Google Drive folder, and then the automation takes care of the rest. So pretty cool that I've had 16,000 views. As much as it says the last 28 days, it's been 19 days, I think, since the 9th, or 18 days. And 8 subscribers now. I'm still finding my way in content. I have a goal of creating 100 videos to see what I learn along the way and also get comfortable in front of the camera. So yeah, anyway, I thought I would put them up on YouTube because they're created anyway. I'm more using them in LinkedIn. But how this works is I use n8n to automate out certain, I guess you'd say, tasks or processes that I do daily. I usually try to do the things that are quite small, but I do them every day. So, for example, taking a video, going into YouTube, uploading it, scheduling it out, it takes a couple minutes or a few minutes. So this just does it for me now. And so every day I have it go to at 6 p.m. This automation runs. It looks at the Google Drive folder, this one specifically right here. That's my unpublished folder files, sorry. And then it will download one video out of there and it will, sorry, this is where it actually downloads, but it'll look for one file. It'll download it there. It sends it to OpenAI to transcribe the video, to get the transcript for what I'm saying in that short video. And from that, it will create the title. I only create titles today. I've kind of tested this as far as doing titles and descriptions, and it doesn't make a difference. And so I just have a placeholder description that you'll see coming up. But yeah, creates a title that's specific to the transcript in the video. This is just a merge node where it brings in the download file and the new title. And then I send it to YouTube here. So there's certain things. So there's the title. It comes from the previous output. It's an upload. It's a video. It's made in Canada. I put it under people and blogs. And then there's some things that you can auto set. So my channel's in English. Here's the description that I use. Your 24/7 executive assistant, n8n. So I make videos around AI productivity and how we're running Linda behind the scenes. So talking about revenues, marketing, sales, all that stuff. And so ideally creating content that other founders can learn from and they find interesting. And at the end of the day, I have a product that has helped bring down my email time from an hour to 15 minutes. And so I'm very passionate about it and I want to help other founders along the way. So generally, if you're watching my content, you might be a founder with the same problem, spending too much time in your email. Instances is, YouTube, kind of if it hasn't been shown on TV and different things. And then privacy status is public. So just different settings that you can do, nothing major. And then once it's done, I move the file out of the unpublished folder into the published folder. And yeah, it runs every day. And if there's ever an error, I have an error trigger that sends a message into Slack for me to let me know that it didn't run. But yeah, hopefully if this can help you, sharing the file that you can import yourself. So you just import from a file here, just as easy as I download it and share it out. And then the biggest thing, if you've never used n8n, is getting your authorizations, we'll say, set up for Google so it can connect in there, YouTube. For me, that was one of the most time-consuming and hurdles I needed to do, but there's lots of resources on YouTube. Feel free to reach out to me if you have questions. And hopefully I taught you something new or it helps you out in your day. Have a good one.